Alright, well, what are we up to today? Well, you're on wide angle on my GoPro and probably some very muffled sound. My workshop is way out of hand, there's just junk everywhere, I haven't got room to move. It probably looks a bit more spacious on wide angle, but I guarantee you now it's not. So I'm going to time-lapse the cleanup because lockdown and channel viewers and insert appropriate excuse. It needs cleaning up. So that's what we've got to do today. I've also cleaned out about 6 or 7 computer cases that were in here and dismantled them already, but there's just so much I need to do. And yeah, so I'm going to find a good little spot for this thing, put it on time-lapse mode and see where we get. I've done about as much as I have energy for today. MS and the medication I'm on really sapped my energy. Both my legs have gone numb, my right hand has gone numb. I can't really tell what I'm doing with it at the moment. Everything says I need to stop, but this was stressing me out so much that it was so unclean. I thought that stress could potentially bring on another attack of MS, so you're screwed if you do and screwed if you don't in that regard. At least I can walk through here. The floor is swept. I've got to get some flooring for this sometime and do something about repainting this corner. It was previous tenants just messed up the walls up there. I know where a bit more of my stuff is. I found a hard drive in here when I was cleaning out all the old defunct laptops that belonged to a deceased friend, and I managed to repair the file header on that, or sorry, the boot sector, and was able to get back into it. That contained a bunch of things like passwords and recovery codes and a lot of videos and photos of him. So I've sent that on to his son, and hopefully that's useful to them. But yeah, so I've got some room in here now, bit of more room. I've got to clean up my casting area very much soon because I'm going to try, I've got some green sand has showed up, and I'm going to try my brass medallion again in green sand. So yeah, we'll work on that. But yeah, for now, this is mostly just channel filler. Give you guys something interesting to watch while you're all on lockdown. The Australian government's extended that another month, so we're going to be here for a while. Anyway, I'm going to go back to sorting out the remote schooling stuff for my apprentice, so yeah, we'll get all that sorted. And at some point we'll break out this little green beast here, which is a Minelab F1A4 metal detector. We might even chuck that on the back of the Argo when I'm free and we'll go find some gold or something. Anyway, I'll see you all later, and yeah, hopefully the next one's more interesting.